To change your T-Mobile home internet gateway's Wi-Fi name and password, start with the T-Mobile app or web portal. The default gateway IP is 192.168.12.1, but app-based verification is required for security. Access the admin interface and navigate to Wi-Fi settings. Use the T-Mobile app for easier remote management or log in via web portal. Once in the interface, change the SSID to a unique network name. Then set a strong WPA3 password with at least 12 characters mixing letters, numbers, and symbols. Two-factor authentication is mandatory for admin access. After saving changes, all devices must reconnect with the new credentials. Ensure your gateway firmware is up to date for enhanced security. Using the app allows remote changes for convenience. For older gateways, consider upgrading to newer models for improved performance and security features. Key security considerations include prioritizing strong, unique passwords to prevent unauthorized access. WPA3 provides enhanced security compared to WPA2, so switch to it when possible. Enable MAC address filtering for an extra layer of protection. Regularly update your gateway firmware for the latest security patches. The Wi-Fi landscape is evolving toward integrated smart home ecosystems. Future trends include dynamic password rotation via app notifications to counter AI-powered threats. T-Mobile is adopting mesh Wi-Fi extensions for better management. Zero-trust network access may require authentication per device. Watch for WPA4 and quantum-resistant encryption updates.